Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to update My Files in your phone Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G. First of all, go to the home page and go to Samsung folder and go to My Files, and here go to these three vertical dots and click on settings here, and you will see here if any update available. A new version of My Files is available. Here is showing update. Okay, just click on update if you would like to update immediately. Otherwise, click on not now if you would like to do it later. Okay, click on update now to update My Files, Samsung My Files, and click on update here, and it will be downloaded and installed automatically. See here, installation is going on, and click on open. Yes, My Files have been updated now. So in this way, you can easily update My Files to your phone Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.